Hi class, I'm Amy Lakin and I'm your instructor this semester for English 101. We are looking at our course homepage, which is set up by week. You can see I have the first 4 weeks outlined, and then at the bottom are student resources on remote learning at UIS. These resources were created by the staff at the Center for Online Learning, Research and Service, so make sure you check those out. Each week, the activities or items posted are posted in the order that I want you to view them. So always just start at the top and work your way down. You'll also notice there are headings that say graded assignments to complete this week. So obviously those 2 items will be assignments that you need to complete for a grade. Here's some more in week 3 and some more in week 4. You'll also see that I've got a fun discussion section. That's just because I'd like to get to know you guys since I won't be seeing you in person. This is a nice way for us to meet one another and learn more about each other. Another thing to consider is once you click on an item, how to get back home. So obviously you've clicked here. When you want to, well, you have a couple of options. You can either click home, which takes you back to the page we were just looking at, or you can click next. The only issue I have with clicking the next button would be that you can inadvertently go into the next module without realizing it. So personally, I recommend after you click on an item and you've viewed it and you've done what you need to do, I recommend you just click home. And then you can pick up where you left off. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to watch the next video on our course assignment overview.